Hi, I'm Deb from Deb's Design. Welcome to my video today. If you're not happy with the color of the walls in your home, stop thinking about painting and just start. Once you've chosen the color for your walls, the hard part's over. And I had a video about that, choosing paint, last week, so check that out. So you've chosen your color, now it's time to start the fun. Grab a flathead screwdriver. Take off all the plates for your electrical outlets and switch plates. Get that out of the way. Whatever you do not want paint on, cover. Have fun. Paint to your heart's content. For the last week, I have done a lot of painting. I have gone through 5 gallons of paint. So I have some tips and hacks for you today that hopefully will make your painting job easier. Enjoy. Be sure to get some spackling like this. Fill in all your nail holes and any imperfections in your walls. This stuff is great. It comes out pink and turns white when it's ready to paint. Don't forget this step. It'll make all the difference. Around the woodwork, I like to paint whatever the trim color is first, like here by the fireplace mantle. I painted that white, didn't worry about it going onto the wall, and then came back in after it dried and with a small brush and painted the wall color next to it. That way the white part was filled in totally, and then I just cut in with the wall color. I like to do that with the molding, and it seems to work pretty good. While you're painting, have your switch plates soaking in the sink in some soapy water, and then you can also go in and scrub them and make sure they're nice and clean. And that helps so much for the appearance whenever you put them back on the wall. You can buy new screws, and that makes the appearance also look very crisp and clean when you replace those plates. If you don't want to buy the new little screws, then just paint the heads of those screws white before you put them back on, because they do take a lot of wear and tear. Looked so nice having the plates nice and clean and white heads on those screws. Now to the dining room. First, I have to move some things off the walls and move a little bit of furniture. And here you will see what a fast work it becomes to paint with an extension pole.